Shanghai TERJIN Radio is a Chinese high-technology company founded in 2003. It focuses on the research, design and marketing of radio monitoring, geolocation and anti-drone systems and services. TERJIN's product have been widely and successfully used in many areas, including public security, aviation, radio monitoring, etc. TERJIN Radio's anti-drone system supports multiple features such as drone detection, identification and classification, geolocation and countermeasure. A typical system consists of 4 detection and location sensors and 1 countermeasure device. According to different application scenarios, Shanghai TERJIN Radio provides different types of products and services. The fixed monitoring type is suitable for critical sites, area protection, such as airports, prisons, power plants, military bases, etc. The portable monitoring type can be used in critical sites, area protection and VIP protection. The backpack monitoring type is the best choice for border control and expedient electronic intelligence over mountains. The following is a demonstration of the drone detection, geolocation and countermeasure system. After arriving at the destination, we set up the system. The system includes broadband omnidirectional monitoring antennae, timing antennae and RF sensors. Once the setup is completed, turning it on. The system can execute drone detection, identification and classification, geolocation and countermeasure automatically. At the same time, alarms are raised, including red light in the software interface, sound and messages sent to the commander. Besides, geolocation function will be executed automatically too. Now the system pinpoints the locations of the drones and the pilots. The system judges its threats based on the information of direction and distance, and then decides whether to launch an attack. After pressing the attack button, the interface equipment receives the position information of the drone and turns to the direction of the drone to launch an attack automatically. The danger disappears when the regulated drone is out of control, forced landing, or returns.